Hello everyone, I am Daniel's son. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy. First Little Readers, Shapes for Lunch by Deborah Schecter. I like to eat a square. I like to eat a square. I like to eat a triangle. I like to eat a triangle. I like to eat an oval. I like to eat an oval. I like to eat a rectangle. I like to eat a rectangle. I like to eat a circle. I like to eat a circle. I like to eat a half circle. I like to eat a half circle. Shapes are fun for lunch. Shapes are fun for lunch.